Hello students. Last class I have explained exercise last question, exercise 12, last question 6. Now we have to do word problem, that is based on the question exercise self practice 12. I will explain some questions, not all questions. Just like as you see here, question number first and this one is question number third. And whatever I will left, you have to do yourself. And this question you have to do in your notebook also. And whatever I will left, that question also. Just I will explain alternate question. You have to do all the questions, all whatever question are given in the exercise 12. Just you read the question first of all, what is asking and what we have to do in the question number first. Just you see here, find in centimeter. The question is given, we have to answer in centimeter. Okay. The height of a pile of 15 books, if each is 2 centimeter 3 millimeter thick, means each book has thickness 2 centimeter 3 millimeter, and we have to find height of pile of 15 books. 15 books is there and one book thickness is given. We have to find height of pile of 15 books. So first of all we have to answer in centimeter. For that we have to convert this millimeter into centimeter, and then we have to add. After that we have to multiply 15 books by 15 books, because one book has thickness this much and we have to find 15 books thickness. So we have to multiply, because we have to find more than one. So if we will go for more than one to find any thickness or any price or anything. For that we have to multiply. So just you write down the statement also. Okay. Just you write down such that height of you can write like this: height of one book is equal to 2 centimeter 3 millimeter. Okay. Now we have to convert this millimeter into centimeter, then we have to add this number. So just you write like this: 2 plus 2 centimeter plus 3 millimeter. So it will not add because two different units are there. Without making same different, we cannot add. So first of all, we have to convert in same unit. Means we have to convert this millimeter into centimeter. For that we have to divide by 10. Because one guy is there, we are going from left to right. Millimeter is this side, centimeter is this side. So we have to go that side. For that we have to divide by 10. Means it will come in decimal. So 2 centimeter plus 0.3 centimeter. After that we have to add. Sometimes children will confuse how we add. Sometimes we do like this. Children, if we will add 2 plus 0.3, sometimes children will write like this: 0.5 centimeter. It will vary on. For that sometimes we have to make like decimal, then you have to add, then it will come correct answer. So just to see, this one is the integer part, means 2.0 like this, and this one is integer part. In this part, integer is 0, and 0 you have to write down in front of just below into, and then decimal part will come just below in 0 to 3. Now you have to add, it will come correct answer. So 3 plus 0 3, 2 plus 0 2. So answer is 2.3. So 2.3 centimeter like this. Okay. Means up to this we have to find only height only in centimeter. Now we have to find height of 15 books, means height of a pile of 15 books. So just write down so that height of 15 books is equal to 2.3 centimeter into 15. So now the process you have to multiply. So just you do this side you can do in notebook also rougher. So 2.3 we have to multiply by 15. So just do like this. Just multiply first from 5 and 1. So 5 3 the 15 will come and carry 1. 5 2 the 10 plus 11. After that you have to multiply by 1 digit you have to make cross. Then 1 3 the 3 and 1 2 the 2. So just you add then 5 4 3 and we have to put point. How many decimal places? So just you see here 1 decimal places are there. So it will come point here after 1 decimal places. So final answer is 34.5 centimeter height of 15 books. Pile of 15 books. Height of pile of 15 books. Height is 34.5 centimeter. So this is the final answer. Like that you have to do in the exercise problem also. After then just you go the question number 3rd. Just you read the question number 3rd. Like that you can do question number 2 also. Read the question and understand what we have to do. Sometimes it will multiply, sometimes it will divide, sometimes maybe addition, maybe subtraction also is there. So first of all read the question carefully and then understand what we have to do in the respective questions. Just question number 3rd. Read the question number 3rd. How many pieces of tape, each 6 cm long, each has 6 cm long, can be cut from a length of 1 meter 5 cm and how much remains? In this we have to find how many pieces we can make from this length. Of each piece has length 6 cm and after that also we have to find remaining parts, means how much will remain rest other. Just to see here, this one is centimeter and this one is meter and centimeter. So first of all we have to convert it to same unit, then we have to do any process. So in this we have to find bigger length is given and we have to find number of pieces. Means just you see here, this much length is given. If any thread or any scales, we have to cut into different parts, small pieces of length 6 cm. So what we do? Divide only now. So we have to divide here of this meter. So 1 meter 5 cm. 1 meter 5 cm. We have to divide by 6. For that we have to convert this meter into centimeter, then we will divide. So just you see here, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and then it will add 5, then it will come 105 centimeter. So total length in centimeter is 105 centimeter. After that we have to make pieces of each has 6 centimeter length. For that we have to divide. So just write down here statement also. Statement. So length of 6 centimeter length of a piece length is equal to 1 piece. Okay. 6 centimeter 1 piece. So we have to find for 1 because unity method we will apply the unity method. So for 1 centimeter how many pieces we can make? Length. So we will divide 1 upon 6 like that. If you will go for 1 this much pieces. Now we have to find conclusion of this. Means for 105 centimeter length how many pieces we have to make? So just you here 105 means it will divide by 6. So it will like this 105 upon 6. Now we have to divide separately in rough curve like that. Just you do here divide by 6 in 105. Okay. So 1 times we can divide here 1 6 1 6 17, 3 upon 6 we can write like this. So piece is one in integer only, it will not come in decimal. So for that we have to write like this 17 pieces. Okay, 17 pieces will come, and then 17 pieces we can make, and remaining parts is equal to, after that remaining length is equal to 3 centimeter. Means this one is remainder, so remainder is the remaining length. So this is the final answer. Okay, like that you have to do with the question, exercise question. I have also explained, and you have to try yourself in your notebook. Okay, that's all.